Hey everyone, this is Shauna. I'm getting ready for work and just wanted to share a simple and quick hair tutorial with you guys. So, I'm a nurse and oftentimes I do not have a lot of time to do my hair in the mornings because I'm not gonna lie to you, I sleep till like the very last minute. However, I still want to look like I got up and did something with my hair. So, for this hairstyle, you need about 6 bobby pins, a hair tie, a gel of choice. I chose to use one of my favorites, the EcoStyler Organ Oil Gel. Some hair sheen. I used the pink glosser, it's good for sheen and retain and frizz. And a brush. I just used like my small edge control brush. As you can see, I started with 2 braids that I slept with, and I just did that to avoid my hair being really tangled, but I washed my hair last night, so it's clean hair. So you'll see I loosened my braids, and I'll proceed with styling, so continue to watch. Thank you.